what is the sum of real roots of the equation x square minus 8x minus 5 times mod x minus 4 plus 20 is equal to 0. So I need to find the sum of real roots of this equation. To find the roots of this equation, first I need to get rid of this mod. So I know this mod can be opened in two ways depending on the value it contains. So one case is if x minus 4 is greater than equal to 0, this equation will become x square minus 8x, or this mod will open as positive because the quantity it contains is positive, so mod will open as it is, or it becomes minus 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the case when the value inside this modulus x minus 4 is positive or equal to 0, or x is greater than equal to 4. In terms of x, if x is greater than equal to 4, this x minus 4 will be greater than equal to 0, and in this case mod will open as it is. So this equation will become x square minus 13x plus 40 is equal to 0. I need to find the roots of this equation. I need to factorize this equation. So from here I need to break 40 into two numbers whose difference or sum is 13. So I can break this 40 into minus 8 and minus 5. So this equation will factorize into x minus 8 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So from here I get roots as x equal to 8 and x is equal to 5, and both these values of x are acceptable because I have assumed this case to be x is greater than equal to 4, and I am getting x as 8 and 5. Next, or if x minus 4 is less than 0 or x is less than 4, this equation will simplify into x square minus 8x. Now because x minus 4 is negative, quantity inside this modulus is negative, so this modulus will open with a negative sign, so it will become plus 5x and minus 20 plus 20 will equal to 0. So when opening this mod for this condition, when x is less than 4, this equation will become x square minus 3x is equal to 0. So from here x minus 3 equal to 0. These are the factors. So the root of this equation, if this is the case when x minus 4 is less than 0, x will become, or the value of x I get is 0 and 3, and I know I have assumed the case as x is less than 4, both these values are acceptable. So real roots for this equation are 8, 5, 0 and 3. I need to find the sum of the real roots of this equation. So sum of roots will be 8 plus 5 plus 0 plus 3. 8 and 5, 13 and 3 is 16. So correct answer to this question is option A.